if there is a network issue. Now can you hear me?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So very warm welcome to
Yes,
class 10.
yes, ma'am.
ma'am, like,
Yes. Okay. So very warm welcome to class 10, and let me give you the notice first once again. Those who have participated for that essay competition, they need to write the essay, send it to me first. The moment if I say okay, then you will forward in that particular address wherever it is, whatever is given in that particular brochure. Now, we were talking about the question paper. In that particular question paper, what has to be done is you all have to see that there is a difference between the two parts. First of all, it was been divided into section A, section B, and section C. Now, this time, for this particular paper, you might see that there is a difference of pattern of question paper. The questions are the same, but the pattern is little bit different. The question paper has been divided into two main parts, part A and part B. I have forwarded one link in the group, WhatsApp group, children. If you have observed or not, I don't know if you all have seen or not.
ma'am, voice is lagging.
Ma'am, voice
Ma'am,
lag.
your voice is lagging.
No.
Ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
let us wait for some time then. So few are saying no, few are saying yes. So what
Ma'am,
to do?
lagging,
not
lagging.
lagging. Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
clear.
it's lagging.
Sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's lagging.
Yes, ma'am. Half,
Yes,
half.
ma'am.
What neither I can do something, anything, and neither you all can do anything. Can't help. So what to do? Okay, fine. In the meanwhile, I have actually not uploaded that textbook. What to say, that chapter in the screen, means in the background. So what I am going to do is, first of all, I'm going to share the question paper which I have uploaded for you all for the practice. Take the screenshot. I need that you all have to solve this. Then we will start with the chapter, right? So I would like to ask all my students to have their book in hand, because I don't have the book today. Do you all have the book, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So what you have to do is, first of all, take the screenshot. I'm going to share you all something. Just hold on. Huh? This is the question there in your all-in-one, those who are having the all-in-one. But I wanted actually to make you all practice this question specifically. Question number 4. Question number 3 is very easy. You all can do it. I request my students, those who are not able to write an article, they can contact me or talk to me through WhatsApp or give me a call, because I know, beta, many students are still there, those who don't know to write an article. If I talk to them in the forum, open forum, it won't look nice. I can understand. It happens because you all have grown up and you feel shy to talk to me in front of everyone. Those who all feel like, ma'am, humse nahi banta hai, we can't write an article. Okay, just talk to me through phone or through WhatsApp. I will give you a certain time. We will discuss it and then you will be able to solve it. Okay. Am I clear now? Am I clear?
Yes,
There are
ma'am.
many students. And I would like to ask you all, hold on. Suvrat, you have to find it out. Dundo. नहीं बताऊंगी.
Please, ma'am.
No. चलो.
Okay.
ढूंढते रह जाओगे. चलो. Gautam was alarmed to see the graph that tracked the rising levels of carbon dioxide in the air of a city. Just solve this one question and then I will start reading out that particular chapter. Okay. I just, how to solve, you will just speak out how to frame it. Okay. I want to know. carbon dioxide in the air of his city, Nagpur, he decided to write a paragraph on the data to show his alarm and painted the present picture in order to caution people against environmental pollution. Write an analytical paragraph. Write an analytical paragraph for Gotham in 150 to 200 words. मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रही हूँ. Children, please pay attention. The link which I have forwarded in the WhatsApp group, that is the new pattern of your question paper. So in that particular question paper, there will be more of case studies than that of the other types of questions. So you need to go through and understand the case studies very well. Now, who can just describe this particular paragraph, analytical paragraph, orally, then, so that we can start with that particular chapter which was left by mistake? Would anyone like to do this or take this honor? I can see the attendance because of Neha ma'am's call. You all are attending the class, but that doesn't mean that you have to enter and move out. You have to participate in the class. Yes, children. Or else I will keep my mouth shut. Yes, Devyansh.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, this is an analytical means.
Devyansh, your voice is very low, beta. Please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now is it coming?
Yes.
Huh. So this is a question number 4. So here it is asking to write an analytical paragraph. Means a graph is given in front
We can't hear you, Devyansh. Devyansh, we just can't hear you.
of environment means environment based things. Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आवाज कट रही है
Ma'am,
बहुत.
you said something.
Yes, I said that your voice is lagging. Please, can you repeat it once again?
Voice. Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, this is a question number 4. So here it is asking to write an analytical paragraph. So here we have been given a graph for the levels of carbon dioxide in the air. So I think we should start the intro by uh, environment type of things, that day by day our environment is getting degraded. We are using a lot of we are burning a lot of petroleum fuel and all. This is creating a huge problem for our nature and environment. So due to that only, the carbon dioxide level is getting increased day by day. And we can also mention some points like CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, used in earlier air conditioners and all. So here we will explain it. Yes, ma'am.
Continue, continue. I'm
Here,
listening.
here from the year 2000 to 2020, the graph is there, and the levels of carbon dioxide, that is in the year 2000 it was around 855, but till the year 2020 it has went up to 877 around,
8
means
or
878
77.
around.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. So at the year between, I think 2016 or 2017, it was highest near about 888, and the lowest was recorded in 2000, in the year 2000, and in the year 2011, I think. Yes, ma'am. It's ma'am, 11 only. So these things we will mention. We'll
Yes.
mention that the highest growth took place between 2011 and 2017 or 18. From then, as the environmentalists have come, so there has been some changes in the means usage. So thus from around 2018 we are seeing that there is a little bit decline in the carbon dioxide means emission. So these all things will mention there,
Yes.
and we have to describe it in around 150 to 200 words.
Yes, we have to take care of the word limit also. Yes, Sanidhya also gave a nice answer that he is saying that we have to show the scenario of Nagpur city also. What was the situation of Nagpur city? That also is like in the introduction part, we can just frame out few lines. Yes, Sanidhya, you are also correct. And then we are going to analyze the thing. We have to analyze and we have to graph out the thing. We have to explain how it has been degraded or upgraded, and then we have to conclude everything, that the what is known as analytical paragraph, जिस शब्द का मैं बार बार यूज कर रही हूँ, again and again I'm using, that is analytical paragraph means आपको study करने के बाद आपको क्या समझ में आया, after studying this particular graph, what you have, what is there to take home from this, that is we need to lessen down this use of these type of equipments. ठीक है, are you all getting me? Is the point clear to you all? Analysis के बाद what is the report? That also you have to note it down in the conclusion part. Don't forget to do that. Clear, children? Is it clear? All
Yes,
are
ma'am.
sleeping, I expect. Fine.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Which who is having the book, and just let me know the page number, please. Who is going to start the reading? Who is going to start the reading? Suvrad, Nandika. Okay, Nandika. Nandika, do one thing. Just switch on your camera because Nandika, switch on your camera, beta. Yes. Do start the page and just let me know the page number.
Yes, ma'am. The page number is 133. Chapter 10, The Sermon at Banaras.
Okay.
Gautam Buddha began his life as a prince named Siddharth Gautam in northern India. At 12, he was sent away for schooling in the Hindu sacred scriptures, and 4 years later, he returned home to marry a princess. They had a son and lived for 10 years as befitted royalty.
Nandika,
At about
excuse me,
the age of
switch on the video.
25,
Nandika, I'm sorry to disturb. Switch on the video, please. Yes. Okay. Start. Yes,
at
Nandika.
about age of the prince heretofore shielded from the surroundings from the sufferings of the world, while out hunting, chanced upon a sick man, then an aged man, then a funeral procession, and finally a monk king for alms. These sights so moved him that he had at once went out into the world to seek enlightenment. Concerning the sorrows he had witnessed, he wandered 7 where he vowed to stay until enlightened. Enlightened after 7 days, he renamed the tree the Bodhi tree, the tree of wisdom, and began to teach and to share his new understandings. At that point, he became known as the Buddha, the awakened or the enlightened. The Buddha preached his first sermon at the city of Banaras, most holy of the dipping places on the river Ganges. That sermon had been preserved wisdom about one inscrutable to Buddha Gautami, his son, and he died. In her grief, she carried the dead child to all her neighbors, asking them for medicine, and the people said, "She has lost her senses. The boy is dead." At length, Kisa Gautami met a man who replied to her request, "I cannot give thee medicine for thy child, but I know a physician who can." And said, "Pray tell me." And man replied her. Kisa Gautami repaired to the Buddha and cried, "Lord and Master, give me the medicine that will cure my..." A handful of mustard. The mustard seed must be taken from a house where no one has lost a child, husband, parent, or a friend. Poor Kisa Gautami now went from house to house, and the people pitied her and said, "Here is mustard seed, take it." But when she asked, "Did a son or daughter or a father or a mother died in your family?" they answered her, "Alas, the live reminders of our deepest grief." And there was no house but one died. Watching
Nandika,
the lights as they flickered up, extinguished again. Yes, ma'am.
Nandika, your voice is a little bit breaking again and again. I mean, think so. There is a problem either in my or your side. No issues. You just continue smoothly. We will talk. Hardly one or two paras are left. Let first complete it, then we will discuss the topic. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute, I lost the line.
No issues. No issues. Find it out.
At last, the darkness of the light reigned everywhere, and she considered the fate of men, that their lives flicker up and are extinguished again. And she thought to herself, "How selfish am I in my grief? Death is common to all, yet in this valley of desolation, there is a path that leads him to immortality, who has surrendered all selfishness." The Buddha said, "The life of mortals in this world is troubled and brief and combined with pain. For there is not many means by which those that have been born can avoid dying. After reaching old age, there is death. Of such a nature are living beings. As ripe fruits are early in danger of falling, so mortals, when born, are always in danger of death. As all earthen vessels made by the potter end in being broken, so is the life of mortals. Both young and both those who are fools, those who are wise, all fall into the power of death. All are subject to death. Of those who overcome by death, depart from life, a father cannot save his son, nor kinsmen their relationship mark. While relatives are looking on and laminating deeply, one by one, mortals are carried off, like an ox that is led to the slaughter. So the world is afflicted with death and decay. Therefore, the wise do not grieve, knowing the terms of the world. Not from weeping, nor from grieving will anyone obtain peace of mind. On the contrary, his pain will be the greater and his body will suffer. He will make himself sick and pale, yet the dead are not saved by his lamentation. Pardon. He who seeks peace should draw out the arrow of lamentation and complain and grief. He who has drawn out the arrow and has become composed will obtain peace of mind. He who has overcome all sorrow will become free from sorrow and be blessed.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Nandika, I think so all have heard this particular story, and I would like to ask Tanushri, and many more students are there. Those who are waiting for the, they want to answer me actually. When I'm calling their names, they are not coming up, and the same thing is happening. Okay, Tanushri, are you there, beta? Tanushri? Tanushri? Beta, are you there? I can say you are there, beta. You need to answer me, or else I will stop the class today.
Ma'am, I think she left.
This happens, beta. When I'm asking to anyone, they don't want to answer me, right? And the one who is answering, then also they have problem. So no issue. I don't bother anyone. Deshna, are you there, beta? Deshna? Deshna is without the mic. All are in, but without the mic. Good, good, very good. Tanushri is there. Tanushri,
Yes, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good, Tanu, can you just tell me about Gautam Buddha? Do you know about Gautam Buddha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You can just switch on your video. I have not seen after so many days. I need to see you. Where are you?
Ma'am, actually, I'm at a place I cannot switch on my video, so sorry.
Oh, very clever, very clever. Then I will also keep my video off. No issue. Go on. Go on.
Ma'am, please.
No. Why, please? When ma'am never does partiality, child. Never does partiality. You cannot say me like that. Okay? At least you know me better. Okay? So I want to see you first. You go to the anywhere such places, but I want to see you. Or else I will not switch on my video. Come on. Yes. Come on, fast. Come on, Tanushri, answer me, beta. I want to listen it from you. Tanu? Tanushri? Where you went? Gone. No, she is there. Tanushri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Give me a second.
Given. हो गया second खत्म. Tanushri, I'm waiting. Well, in the meanwhile, let me talk to Deshna. Deshna, After that, Geetika, Rakshita. All the girls, please be ready. आज आप पे आ रही हूं मैं. Yes. Deshna, अच्छा Deshna is not having the mic. She can't speak. Now, who is there? Who can speak from the girls? Mahima? Mahima, Khushi? Any one of you? Millie? 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 See, I'm continuously calling the whole day, means I will shout and shout. No one will answer me. Vardhaman is there. Let me talk to him first. Yes, Vardhaman.
Ma'am, you about Gautama Buddha, I have to speak, na?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, it was Gautama Buddha was belonging to a very rich family, or maybe in the king's family. Uh, uh, he used to go outside.
Vardhaman, you have muted yourself again.
And then he saw. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible. Continue.
So one day he saw someone dying, and he asked the person who writes what he was uh, who writes. He asked what's happening. So that person died. He saw a person dying. Then one day he saw some people celebrating, and then a day he saw a monk. He saw a monk. So uh, wait a second. He saw a monk, and ma'am, after some time he he realized that this life is nothing but uh, just pain and suffer. So he went out of the way. He left his home one morning and uh, went out in the search of enlightenment. He shaved his head and became a monk in order to search true happiness, and he was the founder of Buddhism, and he went on searching for enlightenment. Once he got enlightenment, he also praised others to follow his path, and now we are following him as Buddhist in the religion Buddhism.
Okay, but can you tell me what made him? What was that? I should say that inner soul. What was that inside him that he made him forcibly?
Ma'am, we learned this. We learned this chapter, ma'am. That's what I'm saying. We learned this chapter in history in 6th standard. So I'm not remembering exactly what happened, but he saw someone dying, and then he saw a monk
Ma'am, may I?
who was really happy, and he saw that.
One by one, beta. I will give chance to everyone. Let me see Tanushri has came back or not. Tanushri, are you back? Yes, Vira, I will give you a chance. Just a second. Tanushri, are you back? No. Yes, Viram, continue.
Yes, ma'am, I am.
You're
Yes,
there?
ma'am, I am.
Okay.
Yes. Switch on my
Let me see your face first. Let me see your face first. Switch on your video.
I have already, ma'am.
Now start. Tell me what you got from this. What do you know about Gautama Buddha?
Ma'am, actually, Gautama Buddha was the founder of Buddhism, and also he was a teacher or a spiritual or a mediator to show the path, and what we learn from is, ma'am, he has an emotion that he ran this and he go through the path he was following.
But what I mean to say is, Tanu, that you just now heard the chapter. right? And you heard might be 4 or 5 lines.
Yes, ma'am.
What you heard? What you heard? That's what I mean to say. What you heard?
What Vardhaman said?
No. What Nandika said. She read out the chapter.
No, ma'am. I wasn't there.
This is the reason.
Ma'am, I
Tanushree-
wasn't there. Yes,
I
ma'am.
knew, Tanu. I knew. Okay. So whenever I'm asking questions, now I want maximum number of my students to participate. When no one answers, now that gives me really lots of depression that, yes, am I wrong then? Isn't it? फिर मैं गलत हूँ,
Yes.
right? So I want you all to
No, ma'am.
participate daily. Okay? I want
Sure,
you
ma'am.
all. Just raise your hand. Do participate. Because tomorrow I will explain this chapter. Today I wanted to hear from you. Yes, Viram, you wanted to say something. Viram? Viram?
Ma'am, actually that, ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. You can speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, actually that incident in Krishna means a deer who was praised by a prayer. Then he found that someone who kills than one who kills them. So in that sense, he enlightened himself, and he means found it is now worldwide practice.
Viram, what I have asked you, you're not getting me, I think so. Gautam Buddha is a different character in this whole world. The reason behind it, you all know it very well. Tomorrow's work is know about him, know about his nature, know about that person, and we will have a long discussion I'm sorry, on it. And I want the inner meaning, what he wanted to give to this whole world. Okay. And I want maximum number of students to participate. Now I can see 49 students are there. But now I will take the attendance because in the beginning all have participated. The moment there was 6 and 7 minutes left, they all went off. So I would like to conclude today's class as because Nandika and Vardhaman, they have discussed this chapter today. So I will end this class with both of them only. So Nandika,
One second.
bolo, speak.
Ma'am, somebody came in the class by Tanushree and he wrote that you're doing partiality. That's not me. Just now Rakshita told me that somebody wrote this.
Okay, no issues, beta, but you will please be present in the class at least. I know because Tanushree can't say this. Yes? Yes? Yes or no?
What,
Tanu?
ma'am?
I know you can't say this.
Sorry, ma'am. Yes,
No
ma'am.
issues. I said you can't say this. I know
Thank
it
you so
very well.
much, ma'am.
No issues. I would like to ask
Thank you, ma'am.
Nandika to conclude the inner meaning. Then tomorrow we will have a long discussion, and I want all my boys and all my girls to
And less
participate.
than 1 minute left.
I know. Okay. No. Continue. Vardhaman wants to speak something still.
Ma'am, I don't know anything about the chapter. It was just the glimpses of Gautama Buddha which came into my mind, which we learned in 6th standard.
Okay, so
history
now
chapter.
you read it once again in 10th standard, and we will discuss have a long discussion tomorrow about this chapter, right?
All right.
Okay. Bye bye then. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.